Hi, you guys, welcome to my vlog slash my makeup tutorial. I woke up in the morning really happy, energized. After some time, I started scrolling on my social media and I realized it's Valentine's Day. Now, while growing up, I would think Valentine's Day is so cringe, like who celebrates it? But then I realized it's all about living life, loving yourself. And why do I need someone to make me feel happy on Valentine's Day when I could be my own Valentine? So, today, you guys are spending your day with me. I'm going to do all the things that I love. I'm going to create this stunning makeup look. We're going to go on a drive, grab a cup of coffee, and just do things that make me happy. So be my date on Valentine's and come along.
So I have with me my Swiss Beauty products and my Swiss chocolate. I cannot wait for you guys to see their eyeshadow palette, blush stick and their lip crayon. Like y'all will flip. I'm going to start by using my concealer. All the shades are going to be mentioned in the description. So please don't worry. I use my concealer under my eyes, my nose, my T-zone. Wherever I feel I have any discoloration or spots that I need to hide, those are the places I'm going to use my concealer. I then go in with their concealer brush. This one is such a game changer, you guys. It's literally like a paintbrush, so soft, and the texture of the concealer is so smooth and buildable, you guys. It feels like it's like it dissolving in my skin. It's so nice. What I love about the brush is it goes to areas that normal brushes do not. Like, you know how much I emphasize on the inner corner and the lid, and it's so precise, and that's what I love. It's a date and I'm going to take myself out, so I just want to be very light. I want to be very gentle with the makeup. I don't want to layer too much. Even with my foundation, I'm going to go extremely light. अब एक चीज़ मुझे फाउंडेशन के बारे में कहनी है, which is commendable. It has vitamin C and niacinamide. ये हर एक स्किन टाइप के लिए, मेरा स्किन सेंसिटिव है तो मैं बहुत केयरफुल रहती हूँ. Even with the brush, like the bristles are so soft and smooth. When I apply my foundation, I feel like a cooling effect, which is so different. It's so nice. Like it just blends it into my skin. अब मुझे ज़्यादा layering पसंद नहीं है अपने फाउंडेशन के साथ, so I have applied it in a very thin layer, but this is full coverage. तो अगर किसी को भी इसको build करना है, this foundation can be built. Also guys, मैं हमेशा एक चीज़ कहती हूँ, प्लीज़ do not forget your neck. हमें नहीं चाहिए कि दो कलर्स हो जाए, फेस में अलग, नेक में अलग. So please always blend your foundation. I mean, when I touch it, it's such a smooth finishing. Like it's amazing. I then go in with my setting powder. अब ये पाउडर के साथ एक पफ आता है which I love, ताकि मैं इसको बेंड कर सकूँ और ऐसे एरियाज में लेके जा सकूँ जहाँ पर वैसे मुश्किल होता है. लाइक अंडर माई आईज आई अप्लाई माई पाउडर इन रियली थिन लेयर्स बिकॉज यहाँ पर क्रीसिंग हो सकती है. सो हियर आई यूज इट एज अ फिनिशिंग पाउडर, वेर एज व्हेन आई कम टू माई जॉ आई यूज इट एज अ सेटिंग पाउडर टू बेक माई जॉ. आई ऑलवेज बिलीव दैट एक पाउडर से आप अपने फेस को फ्रेम कर सकते हो. यू कैन गिव इट अ शेप एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई एम डूइंग विद इट. और ये पाउडर इतना स्मूथ है, इतना ब्लेंडेबल है दैट इट लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग. एंड ऑब्वियसली जहाँ पर आप स्वेट करते हो, लाइक फॉर मी इट्स माई नोज, माई अपर लिप्स, तो आपका पाउडर क्या करता है, मैटिफाई कर देता है. सो इफ यू हैव ऑयली स्किन, दिस पाउडर इज ग्रेट. नाउ दैट आई हैव डन इट, आई थिंक आई डिजर्व अ ब्रेक बिफोर माई आई लुक बिकॉज आई वॉज स्टन्ड व्हेन आई सॉ द पैलेट. I don't know what to do, but I'm going to do something very colorful. But before that, I'm going to show you the palette. I mean, you guys, just look at it. Isn't it stunning? It's like a mini one, and look at the colors, like pop of pinks, blue, yellow, and I'm going to create like a really colorful yet a subtle look. I'm going to go ahead and take the eyeshadow blending brush. This one is amazing, and dip it in this shade of pink. ये बहुत neutral shade है, तो I'm going to use it as my transition shade. Transition shade वो shade होता है जो आप अपनी पूरी आँखों में apply कर सकते हो. I love to apply my eyeshadow till my brow bone, ताकि वो बहुत बड़ी लगे. And I have a lot of lid space, so I just want to play with a lot of colors because I absolutely love this palette. It's stunning. Then I'm going to go in, take the same brush and this brown shade and apply to the lower lash line as well, ताकि आँखें खुली लगे and there's a pop of color. Up, I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna use my concealer brush and use this shade of pink. You guys, it is so pigmented. It is so stunning. And one thing I loved about it, कि बिल्कुल भी गिरा नहीं. There was no product that was falling, and I absolutely loved it. I mean, I'm gonna apply it all over my crease area, my lid, and I'm going to give it that pop of color. Like it is so stunning. I want to use another shade. Like I love this palette. I'm sold. I'm going to go ahead and use this one थोड़ा सा बस, cause मुझे बहुत stunning लग रहा है shade, and apply it over that pink shade. तो ये बस उसको थोड़ा सा darken कर देगा. And just look at it. एक this purple one, I can't wait for you guys to see it. I mean, this is the blending brush, तो मैं इसमें purple डाल दूंगी and wait for it. I mean, just look at it. I am just going to apply it to the outer V, ताकि ये थोड़ा सा color दे दे, dimension दे दे, and बस हो गया. I think I'm done with the look. I can just be here. And I'm so happy when an eye look comes together. The colors are so pigmented, but there was no fall. It is so smooth. And just blend it in a circular motion. It looks like the color of the rainbow, like a unicorn. It's such a pretty look. Just go light on your base and do this. Then apply this one for my inner corner so that it just opens my eyes up and glitters, you guys. How can I not apply glitter? So ye do shades लेके I applied all over my lid, and trust me when I say this, I had this look on for about 12 hours और ये glitter move नहीं हुआ. It is such a stunning one. Then I use the eyeliner in black, and I'm just going to sort of blend it. I'm not going to do too much, just smudge it so that it makes a difference. अब देखो आप, ये आँख और ये आँख में बहुत सारा difference लग रहा है. So these small things make a huge difference. And now since I love it, I'm going to treat myself and have chocolate, you guys. It's such a rosy look. It's such a nice mood. I've gone so light on my foundation, and just look at the eyes, like I deserve this treat. After that, I'm going to go in with the compact brush. And remember हमने वो powder लगाया था, so I'm going to brush it off. Because जब आप photos लेते हो और अगर आप ये powder को brush off नहीं करोगे तो वो pictures में आ जाएगा and it doesn't look good. So this brush is extremely helpful for that, and it's very smooth, the bristles. Now, wait for the star product. It's this blush, you guys. Wait, let me swatch it for y'all. It is such a stunning shade of pink, और इसकी application इतनी smooth होती है. I apply it all over my cheeks, my nose, and थोड़ा बहुत on my chin as well. And I'm going to blend it with my foundation brush because इसमें already थोड़ा product होता है, तो it blends it properly. और इसमें एक highlighting वाला effect आता है. Like, it has a highlighter, it has a sheen to it, which I thought was absolutely stunning. It blended beautifully. I then have in their highlighter. Now, I'm not going to use it as a traditional highlighter, but I'm going to apply it all over my cheek. So it gives it that stunning shade. It deepens the color of the blush. And you guys, it looked so stunning. It looked so natural. It is high coverage, buildable. I loved it. Now I'm going to go in with their star product, which is the lip crayon. I mean, ये इतना smooth था application में. मैंने इसको lip liner की तरह use किया instead of a lipstick. I overlined my lips and I filled it. And फिर मैंने क्या किया? I took my fingers and I smudged it. So it gave it such a natural tint. And then I went ahead with their lip gloss, which was so glossy, which was so smooth. And just look at it, like my lips look like the main character here. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? Hair on the side, it looks so stunning. I look like a cotton candy. So are you guys ready to come along with me? Since today is about loving yourself and doing all the things that you love, I once read something that really helped in boosting my confidence, that really made me feel that, I don't need anyone to love me. I am enough for myself. So I'm going to read it for you guys as well. It said, once when I was running from all that haunted me, to the dark I was succumbing to what hurt unbearably, searching for the one thing that would set my sad soul free. In time, I stumbled upon it, an inner calm and peace. And now I am beginning to see and to believe in who I am becoming and all that I've yet to be. So, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this. Take this day out, just love yourself, live life, and I'm going to see you all very soon.